This is my little section. So I charge my scooter here, charge my phone, all the things to
Right there. So that would be like the outlet here that I plug in.
I do my hair across just earlier on the other platform when I got back from Queens. It comes in handy. The rough is trying to keep everything charged. Just being outside all the time, it's very rough. So I just found the scaffolding just now before I came here, so I was able to charge before that to get here. So that's pretty much what I do. I make sure I always look around for a little outlet to charge for unlimited, whatever. Because these things, they die quick, you know what I'm saying? So a little charge always keeps them a little bit longer to stay on. So it helps, you know? Because sometimes I might fall asleep on the train and my phone's not charged, and it's kind of difficult to do that. But, charging, you're hungry, you know what I'm saying? You're tired, and then you want to wash up, and you're all weird, you know, feel me? So it's it makes it hard to do all that, at one time when you're when you don't have the, place to just go and charge your stuff, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and outside those charging machines are a nightmare. They just attract so much negative attention, so much problems. When it's cold, it's one of the warmest streets. It's kind of warmer compared to other train stations.